Hello, my name is Hasnain. Currently, I'm working as a data analyst intern at Mentorness. This really is about explaining three major features of Power BI. First is analyzing hierarchical data structures. Second is implementing cross filtering between visualization. And lastly, we'll talk about drilling down into detailed data for deeper insights. But let's start with a brief intro about Power BI in the context of data analytics. So, Power BI is a Microsoft Business Analytics tool facilitating data visualization and analysis from diverse sources with features for data preparation, modeling, visualization, and data collaboration. It's a comprehensive solution for informed decision making. Let's jump towards our first topic, which is analyzing hierarchical data structures. First, we identify the structures we need to recognize the parent, child, or a part-whole connections within your data to understand the hierarchical structure. Secondly, we visualize those hierarchies, meaning we utilize the Power BI different tree maps and charts and other hierarchy-based visualization to reveal the insights in an effective manner. And finally, we drill down those visualization with ease that transition effortlessly from higher level summaries to granular details, exploring data at various levels of depth for comprehensive analysis. So after the hierarchical data structures and drilling down, we will talk about implementing cross-filtering, which is also known as cross-highlighting between multiple visualizations. What we do is we establish relationships between multiple visualization, which enables them to dynamically interact with each other. This way we can gain a deeper insight and our audience can also easily understand the story that we are trying to tell. Cross-filtering in Power BI enables interactive data analysis by allowing selections in one visual to dynamically filter the data in other visuals on the report canvas, facilitating deeper insights and exploration of relationships between different data elements. You can do it by using the data modeling feature of Power BI.